Guys, this is Michael, and I need your help. I'm trying to walk through your request to get access to Jin's, Jin's QuickBooks account. As I understood your request, you wanted me to have her go into QuickBooks and set up access and give you those credentials so that you could go in. The best I could do was to Google what she should do because she didn't understand what she needed to do. And we went back and forth again several times today, and I kept trying to get her to follow these instructions on managing your accounts in here. And it says you need to go in as the company administrator, and then you go to manage and manage account, and then look for company settings, and then use default user role developer, and then add users and use the developer role when inviting users. So I thought I followed all of that and that it all made sense. But when she went in, she said there was only steps 1 and 2. She and her controller could not see steps 3 and 4 here. So I decided to try to dig into it myself, and I've spent an hour or two trying to figure it all out. And I think I did. The problem is this is the instructions for QuickBooks Desktop, not for QuickBooks Online. We don't have any of our members that are using QuickBooks Desktop. They're all using QuickBooks Online. So if I go over here to QuickBooks Online and how to get started, it says start by creating your developer account, and I've actually done that. I don't know if I'm not logged into it, but you go in and get a developer account, and I guess I could give you my credentials for that. Then it says make your first API request with the API Explorer, and I don't really know what that means. I guess you're just kind of going into a sandbox or something. Then it says create your QuickBooks Online app and start coding with your development keys. So if I go into my QuickBooks account, I see apps over here. And then I see tons and tons and tons of apps, process payments, see more apps. There's tons of stuff in here. And when I look at Odoo, I see that somebody has written an app for that. I don't know if it's going to show up in here. No, it doesn't. But of course, neither does ERP Next. So I think that's the issue. I think that we are going about this wrong, and we need to build an app for our members to be able to use QuickBooks that sort of does the stuff on their side, and then you get credentials in there, and then it comes back to ERP Next, and it gets put away into the right spots. Anyways, this is all I know, and I kind of need you guys to let me know if you see it differently or if I've misinterpreted the situation. It's really possible. I don't really know what I'm doing here, but that's my best understanding about what our next step is, and that is that we should build an app for this. I have no idea what that involves, and then we should work on getting it integrated into ERP Next. So take a look at it yourselves. Let me know what you think, and we'll talk about it when you're ready. Thanks.